Your plane landed 2 hours late due to thunderstorms. You need a hotel for the night. You pull out your iPhone and email your PLOW personal assistant.
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation tonight at government rates.
The PLOW personal assistant that answered the email is an automated system that can understand and generate email messages using the TRIPS Deep Natural Language Dialogue system. It can perform tasks that you have taught it previously through a web-based interface. In addition, you can import tasks that other users have defined and wish to share. Consider a simple example of defining a new task. You want to define a task to find restaurants near companies that you visit. This is done easily as you can reuse tasks previously defined. We assume that you have two tasks already defined. One to find the address of a company, and the other to find restaurants near an address. In this session, you define a new task that combines these capabilities. PLOW connects the input and output parameters appropriately so that the combination works. This is the login screen for the PLOW server. You start a new session. Now you inspect your local tasks. You already have a task to find restaurants near an address, so now you only need a task to find the address for a business. Looking at the public tasks, you find one and import it. Now you can define the new task. Using the chat window, you introduce the goal to define the new task. Now you define the first step, to look up the address for the business. PLOW recognizes it, knows that task, and inserts it for you. You now define the second step. Again, PLOW recognizes it, knows the task, and inserts it. The task definition is now done. You can browse over the task definition to make sure everything is okay. The task is now ready for execution. You could test it through the web system, but we'll show testing it using its email interface. You send an email to PLOW requesting that it perform the task. A minute or so later, the reply is received. There are many ways in which you could have invoked this task, some involving multiple exchanges of email in a dialogue. Here are a few examples. Also note that to effectively combine the procedures, PLOW needs to be able to understand parameter values such as addresses. The address returned by the first subtask needs to be interpreted so that the appropriate fields can be filled in the second task. WebPlow provides a convenient way to provide access to the system from any platform that supports the Firefox browser. The email interface provides a valuable way to access your tasks while on the road.